Are you opening multiple reports just to find the one you need, or switching to lineage view to understand how your data connects? No need to do that anymore. Install the free Power BI Report Previewer extension and instantly preview reports by simply hovering over them. No need to open each one. Plus, in the new version, you can add the lineage view to explore data connection easily. So let's install and review this powerful tool together. Okay, so imagine you have many reports in a workspace in Power BI service and you don't remember the name of the report you are looking for. So you need to open each of them and go through one by one to find out which report is exactly that report you are looking for. And that takes time to load in this report, open them and close them one by one. Or if you want to see the data connection, you need to change the view to lineage view like this and then go through the connection one by one, or you need to click here and then select one of these items, the workspace lineage or the view item lineage, to find out the lineage of that report like this one. But if you install that tool, the Power BI Previewer tool, that's the free extension for Google Chrome and Edge, Microsoft Edge, and you can use it free, totally free. So now I'm using the Google Chrome. So I will go to the extension and then click on this Chrome Web Store. And here you just need to search Power BI Previewer or just search my name, Wahid Dousty, and then three extensions I created, and this is the one I want to talk about that in this video. So click on Power BI Report Previewer and then add to Chrome. So it will ask you to add the extension and said yes, add it to the Chrome, and that's added here, and I will pin it here to be here always. So after adding the extension, make sure to refresh your Power BI service page to be able to use it. So when I click on this icon, there is a configuration which you can change the information, you can change the status and configure this tool to help you. So there is a on and off to using this tool or extension, or just turn it off. And then the second toggle, it has three options. Report, if you want to only see the report page, you need to select that report. For now, I will select the report, then click somewhere outside of this tab, and that will be hide. So click on this, that will be appear, click on outside, that will hide. So now it's on. If I hover over this report, you can see a small window just appear in the middle of page. Without opening that report, I can see that report just by hovering the mouse over the report icon. If I hover over the semantic model or data set icon, nothing will happen. Folder, nothing will happen. Any other areas, nothing will happen. But if you hover over the report, you can have a quick preview of that report. So you don't need to open that report. It's totally safe. It doesn't read your data. It doesn't save your data. You can go and check the security checks, which Google and Microsoft approve that. So what it does, it's just opening that page in the small preview page in the middle of this page, opening that link here. So here you can hovering over here and then hovering over the report icons and see the preview of that report. The other thing which I added to the new version of that, you can click on the lineage here, select the preview mode, only the lineage, and if I hover the mouse now, the preview page it changed. So it now showing the lineage view for me. So it shows for this report is connected to this semantic model and is connected to that the SQL server. If I hover over another report, it shows the lineage of that report. Regional save sample is connected to that semantic model and is connected to that Excel work. So hovering over each report shows the lineage view of that without changing the view mode or clicking on this view mode to change it to lineage many times to find out what's going on. It's very easily you can find out. So the other option is to view both of those preview options, report and lineage. So click on the both, and now if I hover the mouse over each report, I can see that report and the lineage preview on the bottom of that preview. So this will help you to see the reports, preview the reports without clicking on them or opening them, and then easily check the lineage of that report. So you can hovering the mouse and over each report and see have a preview of that report and see the lineage of that. The other option is you can change the frame size. For example, the report frame size is 500 to 300 by default. I will change it to 700 to 450 and then click on set size, and that change the preview size of the report. The lineage is still same as before. You can even change the size of the lineage here, or if you want to return to the default one, just click on reset and that will back to the default size of that that preview tab. So the other option is you don't want to use it, just turn it off. If you turn that off, hovering the mouse over these items, nothing will happen. So this tool will help you to save a huge amount of time by just hovering the mouse and find out what is inside that report, and also you can see the connection of that report is connected to what data source, is connected to what database. So I hope you find this tool and video helpful. Install this tool on your Google Chrome and Edge browser. Check it, review it, and let me know if you have any comment or questions. I will update it as per your comments. So if you think there are some areas which need improvement, or there are some items if we added to this tool that will make it more powerful, I'm more than happy to hear them. So till next video, bye for now.